Experiencing a black screen or video playback problems on your Xumo TV can be frustrating. Here are the most effective troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues. First, ensure that both your Xumo device and TV are properly plugged in and receiving power. Check that power cables are securely connected and that power indicators are lit. A loose HDMI connection is a common culprit for black screen issues. Verify that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the TV and the Xumo device. Try a different HDMI port or cable to rule out connection problems. If the device is in standby mode, simply press the home button on your remote to wake it up. This is often overlooked, but can immediately resolve a black screen issue. Disconnect any external devices like soundbars or gaming consoles to see if they are interfering with the video output. Sometimes these devices can cause conflicts that result in display issues. Power cycling involves unplugging the TV and Xumo device from the power source for 10 to 15 seconds, then plugging them back in. This process can often resolve many display and connectivity problems. Finally, ensure that your TV is within its recommended operating temperature range to prevent overheating. Make sure there is adequate ventilation around both the TV and Xumo device to prevent thermal issues that can cause display problems. These systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most black screen and video playback issues with your Xumo TV. Work through each step methodically for the best results. When Xumo TV apps crash or freeze, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve these issues quickly and effectively. First, close all background apps and reopen the problematic application. This clears temporary memory issues that often cause crashes. Verify your internet connection stability. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use a wired connection if wireless is unreliable. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted files. Note that you'll need to sign back into the app after clearing its data. Perform a cold boot by unplugging the Xumo TV's power cord for 3 to 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. This clears system memory and resolves many issues. Ensure your date and time settings are correct, as incorrect system time can cause app authentication failures and streaming issues. For persistent issues, check for software updates first. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but remember this will erase all data and require complete setup again. If remote issues persist, try repairing it with your TV, as battery depletion causes 60% of remote malfunctions. When all troubleshooting fails, contact Xumo customer support for professional assistance.